I'm kind of fat. First thing, Glock 19. Whitehead holsters, base max. .511 tactical operator belt. And I've been carrying a Kershaw. I don't know what model this is. It's got the G10 grips, so that's what I've been carrying. I've also been carrying in this. And then you just snap it. And there you go. Pull out. Also, if I'm wearing my cut, carry in here, go in my pocket, come out. So sometimes I'll use this there. So here's what I've been carrying every day. We'll start with the Whitehead holster. I've had this holster for about 2 weeks. It's breaking in nicely. It's horsehide, natural, unfinished. I did not get their max tuck. I got their base max. So these are riveted in instead of using the Chicago screws like this. It is fully adjustable for Canton rod. I haven't changed it though. This second setting on both sides seems to work pretty well for me. I might give it a little bit more cant forward, just a tad. The gun fits nicely into it. Next is the Glock 19. Empty. And I really like this. It started out with a Glock 27, and you know what? 9mm, a lot easier to handle than 40. Plus, I got 16 rounds with me at all times. Sometimes I carry in a spare mag, sometimes I don't. Really digging this. I love the sights. They've worked out well for me. I can't get the front to focus. Let's see. Either way, they work out good. You can see the big orange dot at the front. I don't really have much trouble concealing this gun. I can get a full grip on it, and it's very comfortable. Works good. No malfunctions. So there's that. Next up is the Kershaw. I don't really consider this as a fighting knife, though I'm sure that it would, work in a pinch. I carry this administratively to open packages and, do things throughout the day. I will note that I have sharpened it to 20 degrees. I don't believe it came that way, and I've pretty well ruined the tip. Let me see if I can focus this here. Yeah, it's not going to focus. So either way, you can tell though that the tip is gone. Okay. Works good for what it is. Okay, next, this belt, 511 Tactical Operator Belt. It's very rigid. I cannot squeeze this way on it. Here it gets down to just one layer of webbing, so it is a little weaker here, and that is actually where I carry, if I carry appendix. So I don't really like that, though I do think that it is a little too stiff, maybe even for everyday carry. The reason I say that is because I'm a bigger guy. I generally like to wear my belt a little looser. These edges are cutting into my stomach, okay? Now, it does do a better job of holding this holster, and that's the primary holster I'd wear this with. But I will say, even if I'm not carrying a belt, I tend to wear this one. I'm starting to get used to it. I'm also losing a little weight. So, we've got some Velcro to keep the belt in from flipping around. Very strong buckle, rated at like 7,000 pounds. And I think it was about 40 bucks. You know, I mean, to be honest with you guys, the last belt I was using was a cheap leather belt. I think it was Chaps brand that I bought it at a cheap clothing store, and it was absolutely tearing up doing my appendix carry method before I got the white hat. So yeah, the buckle works good. Everything seems to be good with this belt. It's just a belt, guys. I'd like to get a custom belt, but since I'm still losing weight, I could go buy this one off the shelf. I left this out, guys. I was carrying an extra mag, a can of snuff, my cell phone, and usually my iPad, but I can't take a video of the iPad with the iPad. Let's see if we can get a reflection. iPad mini. Usually have that with me. And some keys, motorcycle keys, car keys. Usually what I got.